Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I've come back with a new video focusing on multi-level marketing or network marketing or chain marketing. This is a common topic where all of your friends talk and they approach you and they ask you to join and they tell you that you can become rich overnight. And the model is simple. They tell you to buy a product from them or directly pay and join, and later on after joining they'll tell that you have to ask two of your friends to join under you. So based upon that you get commission, and when two of your friends refer the same product or the same company to two of their friends, then automatically your friends earn money and even you earn money. So this is how network marketing works. So this is also called as pyramid selling. The concept of multi-level marketing was brought into market because when a product is introduced into the market, it is very difficult for that product to reach to consumer because a lot of procedure will be there, a lot of process is there. Like there are warehouses are there, middlemen are there, wholesalers, distributors. So when a product passes through these people, the company has to keep the margin high. So most of the company plan to sell their product through the non-salaried persons, in the sense when a person is not working for the company and but still selling that product and earning commission for that or earning a certain amount of money for that, then this is called as non-salaried salaried employee. So there is no commitment with the company, and automatically when a product is sold he gets commission for that. So this was the concept earlier. So this was the intention of all these companies. But today what has happened is most of the companies have come out to be scam because they focus on making money, and these companies create a hype saying that you can earn a lot of money with a very few period of time. See, this is a logic. When you're earning something for free or when you're earning something very easily, it means that kuch to gadbad hai. There is some problem there. So you have to think about it twice. So there are a lot of good companies who work on a proper multi-level marketing, like Amway is there and many more company. These companies focus on the selling of product and brand marketing and etc. But there are a lot of other companies who tell you that forget about the product, see the business opportunity. They say that weekly you can earn so much, you add two people, automatically those two people will add two more people, and those four people will automatically add two more people, so that at the end of the week you earn lakhs. Now this is a myth, because the first thing is that when you're adding two people, what are you doing? You are selling the product to them, right? Now you have to see, the first thing is that what product are you selling, because the product has to be good. Every MLM company overprice their product. I'll tell you an example. A few days back a person came to me and told that you buy this product and you become a member, and later on the same thing he told, that you have to add two people and you get commission. So when I saw the product, a product was a power saver. Okay, a power saver which we normally switch it on, and it regulates the electricity. So when I checked the price of that power saver online, it was somewhere around 1000 rupees, and this person was charging 10,000 for that. So now you can see here, these type of companies charge 10 times. Okay, they charge 10 times more. And there are few other companies who don't have product only. They tell you to invest your money, and later on after a few people join under you, you get a free tour package. Now I'll tell you, those kind of tour packages, if you ask to any travel agent, you get hardly to 30% of that amount. So it's my challenge. I am challenging you. If a company is offering you a tour package for a particular amount, let's say Sri Lankan package, if the company is offering for 40%, I can offer it to you for 12,000. So that is my challenge. Okay, because I am in the travel industry, I know the things behind this, I know the costing behind this. So these companies, charge over, they charge so much high because they have to pay all these people who are under this binary system, who are under this chain. I can't say this as chain because chain business is completely different. So this is a kind of pyramid business. But the secret here is you have to add either 1:1 or 1:2 or 2:1. Now 1:1 in the sense, if you add two people, in the sense two people means you have to add one on the right and one on the left. Okay, so if you add both your friends on one side, then you will not get the commission. And 2:1 in the sense, either one side there should be two people and other side there should be minimum one people, then you will get a count of one. In the sense, you will get one pay for that. So these kind of binary system is applied, and this is the reason what happens is most of the people, like around a study says that there are around 2% of people who complete this, and remaining 98% of people don't complete this tree because they grow only one side, right? And so I told earlier that you have to see about the product, and the second thing you have to see is whom you are approaching. You are approaching your friends and they are buying that product. Okay, and if there is any complaint in the product, or if they are not happy with the product, and then ultimately they'll blame you. And more importantly, your friends trust you, so you are breaking your friends trust once you do this. And people are lazy. Okay, so no one wants to work and earn. So what they do is they tell you, okay, I can join but I cannot pay the money. And few people are there where when a team approaches them, they directly tell that, okay, I am ready to invest the money. Okay, I will invest the money on your business, but I cannot make the members. So they'll give the commitment to you only. Okay, they'll ask you, okay, I'll put the money, you make members for me. So that is one big mistake, because when he normally says that, you immediately think, okay, no problem, I can put members on him, because the next whoever member comes has to come under him only, right? So you agree to that and you say, okay, you take the commitment and you sell him the product and he becomes your member. But the problem is that later on, again, you have to put customers to him on 1:1 ratio itself, binary ratio. If you don't put it on 1:1 or 2:1, then he will not earn any money. And even for you, it is difficult because he will be on the one side. So once you put to one person under him, automatically you have to put another person on the other side only. You cannot put under him because you have to earn money. So these are the things that has to be taught before joining that, because I'll tell you, I personally myself, I did a lot of network marketing, and it was a hard time for me, because it's not that we don't earn money from this, but we definitely spoil relation, because a lot of people trust you and come into this, and somewhere, because people who are in the top on the pyramid, when people are in the top, they'll definitely do well. Okay, because there are a lot more people who are ready to join. But when it comes for a lower side of people, it's very difficult for them to make add members and all. And most of the companies are scam here, so be careful before joining these kind of companies. Most of the companies are scams, and they don't pay you out, or the calculation system is wrong, or the product is not good. So think before joining these kind of companies. I won't say that there is no benefit from this. There is definitely a benefit from this, and what personally I have gained from this is I've improved my personality, I've improved my talking skills because of this. I became more confident, because that is what we do there. Because I was an ex-MLM, multi-level marketing guy, so I know how we motivate people. So a lot of people say that they have car, they have bike, and they create so much hype that once you attend these kind of seminar, you start fighting with your parents that you want to invest on this, and within weeks you can become a millionaire. But that's not the fact, guys, because once you get into this, you'll get to know about this. So think before joining this. And my personal suggestion is, nothing comes easy, nothing comes free. You have to work hard. Even if you want to do IAS, you have to work hard. Even if you want to clear your NET exams or any JEE exams, for anything you have to work hard. Nothing is, nothing is easily earned. So it's better you have opportunities outside, look for opportunities, do something in your life rather than easy way there, rather than shortcut way. Because I know that people might be thinking this is a smart way to earn money. No, there are a lot of smart ways to earn money, but this, I wouldn't recommend this as that. So that's all for today, guys. Please drop your comments on the comment box if you have any queries or any doubts, or if you want to suggest me anything regarding this or any other topics. So please do comment on the comment box, or you can follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is in the description, and if you want to DM me, you can DM me. I can answer you all your queries. And please do subscribe to the channel and like the video and share this video as much as possible. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.